Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel StoryNest English. The Bad Monkey. Short moral story. Once upon a time, in a beautiful jungle, there lived a monkey named Max. Max was clever, but he had a bad habit. He loved playing tricks on everyone. He would steal bananas from the elephants, throw coconuts at the parrots, and scare the rabbits for fun. Whenever the other animals complained, Max simply laughed and ran away. One day, Max saw a farmer carrying a basket full of juicy mangoes. Quietly, he climbed a tree and waited. As soon as the farmer walked underneath, Max grabbed the basket and ran into the jungle. The farmer chased him, but Max was too fast. Feeling proud, Max sat on a tree branch and started eating the mangoes. Suddenly, the branch cracked. Snap! Max fell into a muddy pond, dropping all the mangoes. The other animals saw what happened and laughed. They reminded Max how he had laughed at them whenever they were in trouble. Embarrassed, Max realized that his selfish behavior had finally caused him to suffer. The next day, he apologized to all the animals and promised to stop playing tricks. From then on, Max became kind and helpful. He shared his food, helped younger animals, and earned everyone's trust. Soon Max had many friends, and the jungle became a happier place for everyone. Moral of the story: if you treat others badly, your actions will eventually come back to you. Kindness always brings true happiness.